Na nababaw kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Golf 23 Shawarma House. Located po sila sa Baliti, along MacArthur Highway, San Fernando, Pampanga. And ang sinaserve nila guys, from their name itself, they serve shawarma. Before we get into, eating the food that they brought us, let me introduce their dishes one by one. So first off, let me introduce Supreme Fries. Supreme Fries. Ayan. So, wow, this is really heavy. Let me open it. Yeah. Whoa. So, based on physical observation, guys, it's overloaded with cheese. It has jalapeno slices. It has bacon bits. Serving is actually heavy. And for a price of 199 pesos, this is actually sulit. Another dish I would like to introduce is yung kanilang chicken salad. Yan. So if you notice guys, nakasulat dito is shake me. So yeah, let's try shaking it. Probably after like 30 seconds, it is now ready to eat. Oh, grabe ang bango. So, this is how it looks like after natin siyang na-shake. Ayan. There you go, guys. Beef salad. Ayan. So, it also says, shake me. Let's shake it. Shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Ayan. Shake it horizontally. Shake it like vertically. Wow! Wow! Grabe ang bango. Here. Wow! Ang bango. Super duper ang bango. Guys, hindi lang ito. Meron pa tayong actual shawarma. Mga bestsellers talaga nila. So, the first one is the regular shawarma. 89 pesos. Yeah, so one of their bestsellers. Marinated chicken, pita bread, fries, pickles, and garlic mayo. Oh man, that is out of this place aroma. And then next is the beef shawarma. So for the beef shawarma guys, marinated beef, pita bread, mixed with veggies, pickles, and garlic mayo. Oh man. And then lastly, this is the Arabian Shawarma. Available sa mga Arabian Shawarma nila is the chicken and beef with pita bread, fries, pickles, and garlic mayo. Wow! So again guys, this is a lot. Ang partner restaurant natin claim to be the best in Arabian taste. Just a brief background. So yung chef po natin dito is actually a chef in Saudi Arabia who mastered yung craft ng shawarma, the taste, target market ng restaurant, those who really explore for food. They wanna try something else, something different in flavor. And then the second one, most probably, yung mga nanggaling na sa ibang bansa, nanggaling na sa Middle East. Let's taste them. So ito yung kanilang beef salad. Let's taste them. Oh wow. Oh wow. Quick pick from our Supreme Fries. No. Oh wow. Oh man. One thing I can say guys, hindi tinipid yung cheese. The cheese and mayo is just all over it. Kaya siguro talagang mabigat siya when I was, describing it. And some jalapeno. Oh wow. Chicken shawarma. Yeah, so let's taste it guys. Oh wow. Wow. I'm not lying guys. Una ko natikman actually is yung pita bread nila. I don't know how to just describe it literally. But it complements yung pinaka-ingredients nila sa loob. So again, you have your chicken, your french fries, your mixed veggies. Oh man, this is so satisfying. After the chicken, I wanna taste yung ano naman, yung beef nila. But before that, sabi ng owner kanina nung kakwentuhan ko siya, masarap talaga siya. Partnered with Coca-Cola. Although we don't, I don't promote this. I trust the owner. I trust the chef na masarap talaga pag ganito. Anyway. So for all of you guys who are shawarma lovers, please include this on your list. Try it. Gulf 23 Shawarma House. They are located po sa Baliti. It's along MacArthur Highway. They are open for orders, so make sure to check out their fan page. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching here in Pampanga. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Yeah, stay safe, guys. Make sure to, just order this and stay at home. Okay? Thank you for watching. Until our next video. Bye. See you there.